No passing, Mom.
Oh, you can rent an RV.
No buses.
You rent an RV?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't you give Mom the keys right now?
You getting on the car?
Wanna go there? Huh?
You wanna go there?
Yeah.
Let's go there.
The stairs.
Sorry.
Hoover dam. It says a boy that doesn't have money.
I know.
Says a guy that doesn't have money.
No, you should rent it.
I can't. You're stupid. Texas. Connecticut. Oh my gosh. These stairs are hard. Oh, Becca. There's a lot of stairs. There's a lot of stairs. Woo! Woo!
They said that there used to be lots of water right there.
Used to be what?
Lots of water over there.
Oh yeah? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna fall down these stairs. Oh, it's not a picture, it's a video. Sorry.
I think it's 80 steps. 80 steps.
Take a picture. Why don't you take a picture?
Yeah, take a picture of all of them.
Even them know.
Jerick, where are we?
There's 80 steps.
Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa, I almost fell. I guess I should probably tie my shoes. Shut up.
What do you mean?
That's why I told him to shut up. Unless you want him to continue to make fun of you. Connecticut.
You alright?
Oh shit. Are you okay?
Listen.
Are you okay?
Okay? Listen.
What's where you going in there?
How's he fall?
Because we were laughing at you.
How's he fall?
Whoa, what's that? Big hole?
There used to be water in there.
Where'd all the water go? Look at this sexy guy coming up. Woohoo!
Idaho.
You're the hoe?
I said Idaho.
You the hoe? Mom, Jake said he the hoe.
I said that's the map.
It's a long walk. It's a long video. 33 minutes long. So where are we?
Over there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So it kind of looks like not Hoover Dam. Well, what if you have a stand right there?
It's the one that you have to pay. This one.
Anyway, so anyways.
I don't know. It's Hoover Dam.
It's a Hoover and it's a dam.
Why you